area busiafo e mama makwaba ye damase so monya bra twa me adan ho akwaba ye de mpuni no ebrewo nanso mame enna aboafo yi ase papa me da creative line ase me black ya me de emo ne me papa mase Charles Osei kwadwi na wotwe pepepe ne no creative line for ne de emamie enti creative line me damwanse also for all locations obi ho anse creative line be ma unse ukwada no me share kaftan blue fefefe pa and am catch you say there be me wa yiem ti mo twa me tuntum o mo twa me tuntum corporate nso enti creative line no ma unse look gamsa kai so Swan Lake Junction e wo North K on the Obilex restaurant no e na edi enim hwe so we be frɛ wo no mo afrɛ 0244 69 5057 and 02644144945. Upekran so an ha ho ko adagye ni ho. Social media na be Instagram or ho and Facebook so ho a creative line clothing bibia come our website and so www.mycreativeline.com now on sort you out why pacho ko studio fix na ko fixe and rame ko unse morena asesa an bibia ye ti Morena Sampacho, Uqua, or fix so fast now when you're crying. No, I call womb so ye, but say ye so crown who sa. Until call studio fixer, obey your nails now, pedicure, obey your memen and I pedicure into Yako. Now say, hear massage being so I know a chichon. Now be wax so eyebrow, now be show eyelasher. Everything beauty. Studio Fix Fred 02029665553 or Jolo Abron sign Best Pension Trust e womuna se na owo okohonwa obehu E Plaza 2 no me koso akai wo say Gehe 94 Ankafo project no china na dinner dance no eba so enti wo Marriott Hotel no pacho kona ko support Wesley Girls High School original one no Kakumdu Hills Girls no na wo muntumi enye say dwumadie emfa enkoboa film award ye wo Ankafo Hospital Ankafo Psychiatric Hospital 350 cities and a tickets no na ne bo no enya din bebre so wo hwe dwumadi a wodi kodi ene moa eboa ne dia yibima na yemfa enkoboa na unua bi nso oyare na okwa ayare hwa ne ho kra ton ntem na ne ho nso asisi ne ho so ntem so wantumi ankode na ne nso enka achi anopai wati ya send you omomomo efa 024 5299517 024 5299517 024 5299517 say account a Barclays Bank Ring Road Central 014 102 7646 Wesley Girls High School live pure spectral right wrong and follow the king unu send them kata menukre wo se mitimika anopai ye ka emo ho asem what say na kakrani ye say emo 6,000 bags akamfuo mu bi kra ye se kwan kra ka be fa so akofa mo no aya asem hwokuani a wasori ahomache atia hasuo wakoto awi akataban so wadodo ase afi watwa wahata akasa atofo beba aya asem enkrofo pebosia wakomangia hey na no na mi bisa se enti se bangi bia ma wo no mo nso a agrike mofo no we wo muntumi ma collateral mangi ne ejie afi miles no kra bemu abu afa che yeti enso ese ye kura 2022 no ye ba bebra wani Ghana mo a ene eno ani se obepa mpese bi no wadi fi se mo de Ghana de na amanfo se ye kura de ye produce no entimi mfidi Ghana fo no nyina enti enhye na mo de bebe na Ghana de no kura se na city amanfo so kansem Ghana mo no ena enye de ena ene bo ye de but yes ye de pa na ni nutrition content so wo sure enti pam no twa no ya che no ene ye ne Deputy Minister of Agric ebo mpunimpu ne adi mo ho nkomo se ye hwe value chain no se efri okuani ni so na ne doso ebeba be si final consumer so se abesi ubochi aso a wudi mu a ehwama ede no sen ena niema no sitie enti from production to consumption and more specifically and ye kan ho asem eni mado amayen permission tene ye yiko kuma bi unhu sa Honorable Kennedy Osei Nyarko pamucho mo fanchem say initially me kan odru enye sa papa mpacho Osei Nyarko Honorable Kennedy Osei Nyarko Deputy Minister of Agric and ayene no abo empunimpi onyene akwaba Ye dancing so papa. Ghana ekuayo emu titiro yen hwafi yesi enya 6,000 bucks. Bucks enko a ana e brosa ana ye tons ana ebi womsa.
Emi aba ma minchia na minchia watiefu ana asa ahwefo a anopei omohwe mefaso na masanchia Ghana mampeni Yura na nado danko akufo ado ni na bedi achi Yura Dr. Mahmoud Baumia ene mempeso asofo nyina achimso adurofo this am sure say
oh no one come here fan count
achimso aduro wana me yemra shebedwani o
yemra shebedwani prince so omanfo no beka say yempiko e wa boye krodi
enye hwe jimichi achimso adurofo nyina mo hwe me fi say minuaba emo ho asem de asem a enkomo a yedi o ma we su ache enso anamon kase bia ni ho a yetu se yede betu ase ana ase yede bebrase
okay
importation
okay
America krania omampani na nado bedi man so na ofre me minister ewusu afiri akoto kire ni se ohwe ye import bill ni so a ade asum kase pa ye mokra
okay
almost about 1.350 billion dollars the BIA said the cram kwa
sika the cram
kwa out of the 2.2 billion dollars no you say as a total import bill emu 1.35 billion eya monko a yeto de ba ma mu bedi enti o hye no se anamo bia se otu a ebeye yie no ontu no make sure say ento ase ono na nado bedi ni mfie nwotwe e wo ma mu awie no na Ghana yankram mfimfiri amano ne biom.
I like the way I work and feel watching. What they want can feel now. What's the constitution now? I know one can change.
Sisai na sebi yesi se utu wanamo ye na ohihye onioma yi a sebi se udi dwuma bi a manfo na ankora ne pia wachi. Fi se o ho kwan se nimfie na ni du a obesan aprem abofo mfie na biom. O mfie nwotwe. Enti ohwe adwuma wo ye dia na mfi se Ghana for beso na sen ama watu aso na de meka kosia ne se ohwe omemu ha ye wasase yira ntama edidu amu a
okay
kasase di ni hu problem na ohwe asase e da ho na akuafo adwuma omoye wo mo titiro na ohwe emu a Ghana fo nyina yedi wo omemu afie bia almost about one last year emu a yedi ni nyina omemu a 1.135 million metric tons yes 1.135 million metric tons yesi afie hwe oma shisha oma si afie be sorry be pijani mu akọ 1.17
oh okay na be kosho
na hwe di edua nso afie mu a 2018 hwe production in terms of paddy rice we nye milled one na polished one you could do 769,400 metric tons and it is oh here crass oh here milled one if you say say paddy one oh kokomelia definitely ubelu subi nti even crass oh reducing by 30% here not just 700 plus and we are looking around 400,000 plus metric tons milled ones just say you the big just me ye now we share your consumption rate and just say a deficit of almost about 700,000
okay
metric tons as is a crack
okay
now the area who say kakra no kura na wa ha na ya produce na ye almost 400,000 plus metric ton ye ni Ghana fo ni enti amakuafo no okoye wi ana na bemabu ti afie bia no senka bia 10 acres na odo a isanze onya atafo bia ma because de okoto no process no onko kuyeni ho nkoto tina nansen oti se ye kuafo mu akuafo no bi wosoro e ofumbisi
yeah
no mu kasa se musum twajadwo se omomo no de shoma oboma no ba so be ba beto na ye avanas wa meto de ntia avanas last year otomu ni bebre paddy rice na obe mele wa mele de o mele be dwaso no Ghana for kranto beden asan koto padi ni so ba bemele
Okay.
ya asemo ehia o man ni nyina se se pese o man ni ye a ye di kan ye dua o ha no esisi ye di first no na ya adwen ye se o Ghana emo a ye o ha ne mo ne nye de ni de obeka kire o se ne mo a ye dua o ha there are several varieties esisi ye dua o ha ye dua jasmine ye dua your friends agra. These are seeds that S Vica. Nina is seeds one of the best long grain perfume rice seeds. You do any idea?
Okay.
I just say me ame di mania koshe say oh pese one kase ye kan okro ye Ghana ni na pese o kan okre. O de ye mono ye long grain perfume rice no. Unadulterated. What the top ye different man on eban first grade ones no ho perfume rice na ye die ni gina soro ye nti na Americans ye die ni gina soro one sene ye de ye mo no ye dua no na ye de fa kwan a ana process ya de fa so kura ansa na e bia ye yi husk na na se nwura na ho ye yi afiri ho na ye de afa me call na nsan mi nya kwanya de call one of the meals no
okay.
One major processing rice mills ni bi osuga kope na me coin o hwe processes a ekomoa the difference between ye ne amanone fo mo perfume rice o mo de ba ma mu ha ni nyina e ya de ba kope one abrofo ne de ye no mo di free no ho aba no se o ye long grain rice uduru ba bia se ne o pese mo ne ye sochen na ye dendenden no e bi apply oil.
Okay.
Na omo some aromatic scent bi afa ho e chemical bi omo de fa ho sene you get it very hard na asan oily.
Okay.
So that you can keep it in the shelf for several years. To share money be great different brochuri by buha be at D5 it has been in the warehouse for a long time, some 10 years. Okay. Because of that. By the no who drew the process sen ke bi anka Ghana ya apply sa oil na ne other aromatic scent and say chemicals near the yanka. We don't do it. We leave the rice with its organic smell. So we polish it or we wash it with just water so that we can have the natural flavor or the scent, the smell, the organic one.
And anything I am saying you sham na yes Ghana.
Ghana for say perfume rice.
Oh, I see.
And no difference no. But oh sure. Because you say yam fasa processes in no. They said the amanone de famu no. E ma hoden na wo ye de ni e gina e wo soro kire ne di fira amanone ba no. Because we don't apply any chemical.
Okay.
We make sure say we use just ordinary water you use of now to do it.
Okay. Yan share kuafo na omudua saa emoi omo adua wie no say yaye se oman no say de beye kura be kwa kodru meles ne nsem no eno nso kura ya asem enti yaye oman na de ne beye be ma kuafo no kura enye opepa na nka omado ne dodo na nipa dodo nso aye interested so ye bedo mo no na nka yetimi amiti demand no
aban we ba o den hihye me ensa na edi nani so de di kan ne se obeboa ma production akosoro cause saban no esi wonani so ade hu say by 2022 obebanning rice and as we reducing importation not less than 90%. So be say there we need to be self sufficient, increase production.
Okay.
And no na aban nam so so nipa bebre akua ankrankro even say small holder farmers any large scale farmers and say you best somasin wo see be make it available with improved seeds and other things, other support. Say ne move to me increase production. Say see our production no go so mo increase. Our farmer no to me akwa we increase because you use more variety, you use no high yielding varieties. I the more mo dua e botchen de dada enkan tetene na nka edua no. To be how ekakura na 1 hectare krodua de bebo no first nanka udua on the same hectare agba na 1.8 metric tons. You see ayenya between 3.5 to 5 tons.
Okay.
Ayenya free one. Na see ano ono na edo wanya. Aban so say me boama say o do wie a say etumi so omo tumi processing ni asen ye. Ma omo nso omutumi ye kwan be so na ese ofa ma otumi so omasen. So aban make sure say esese wotumi ne Exim Bank etumi ekasa ma omutumi eboa saa nkrofo ya omu process because the process no sabi ohia sika no de akoto paddy rice no de free farmer no so oni sika onkoto
Bansani ebeko sa processing no se se mo aboa makuani na do ade na wie na no na me ametie ewo city for mo fa sa project by se edru brebi kra se be ye aduane no ebe free afuonim mo ni be free afuonim akọ melan ho no kra saying aban ni hihye bi se bi kra nko no abeto de ama melese no
to mu bia akuani bia ye wo mam anti aban yi factor kato
if you say sukusi enko beto amomo buffer stock for no crofo have it on record say omomo no enye ni nyina na ye local ebi ono mo a any SH mo school no dey that say ye hia aduane buffer stock ama supplier e di aduane na bre but aban si automa schools prisons any bebia aban feeding crofo na enka obetimi atododo na amanka de beka ase no ye nuru bebia ye dru ya ye hu nchiri ye bebre and by so doing a tin crofo ketremanse a enya afekura na ye bebo dawro nko obia if ye mpanyifo ne ketrema ewu a ka nkwala ne de ombenya taste bad foforo
mame se me ka kire o mamu a Ghana fo adekye bia ni pa e wo Ghana ha opepidu ene dimu ansa na omako akoda so opepidu no se ye adwen si ye tui agu Ghana moso me yadi a Ghana mo no kora enso aban ye na famu de wa hya ase ene se ne me ka kire we se wo ye secondary school ketra na akofa abrofo mu ede noa ede ma esukufo no na se aban hu nipa ana se ministry ni hu a wo anhwa wadwuma bebo wo.
How will you know say we enye local
say no nti ne ye kan nti wo no ya hyew pefe because me no say e ba for stock na said ye say government schools ni SHS schools ni almost about 600 plus so make sure say the bia no be supply with rice.
Okay.
E akọ Oma sign eye Ministry of Gender assign contract. Say omo ye school feeding ni nyina na be make sure say sa no omo de be ye no eye buffer software de be akoma. Me fi say so.
Okay.
Aban tu anamon say ne okay say Treco prisons, Treco government hospital. Call me no ka say fumbisi for ya okay. E ho ye just one rice growing area. O man muni nyina na fie ye de ne to so say san adwuma ministry na ye a ye increase production afie ye de ato ye ni so say ye be make between 900 to 1 million metric tons of paddy rice.
Okay.
So 1 million ye tumi nya ye melia ye betumi nya almost about 700,000 metric tons of paddy rice, of milled rice.
Okay.
na chese kwa ba beti de ye krefra monane ho so 1.1 na chese ye teso almost 700,000 na chese ye were deficit of just 400,000 metric tons.
Okay.
So 400,000 metric tons is no kra na ye Ghana sika a dollar no America sika ne kodo a enya bebre chire sa 1.350 billion ye de koto na be so beti na so to ya sika ne ko he e ba be ka o mema
Osha.
Yani no.
Osha say yenya policy ana say we ye policy kura nya adwuma so sisi no aban hye say hotels so say restaurant do wo say mutimi enwa Ghana mo na school fo no nso de no yenya no nkrata so ana anya say o na minim I didn't know say bia
No kura me no ya adwen hye no bebre ba me no ka say beye na kakra ni a me minister oche committee a omonhwe emo ho nsem wo ha ya gather all stakeholders ya frɛ Ghana Rice Importers Association ya frɛ Jonajekum Kufuor Foundation cause omo di mo ne ho akoten pa so mpɛ so omo boa mma yetumi self sufficient mo ne bedua wo ha ne processing yie ne yetumi adi nto omo di mo akoten Exim Bank for den eka ho ya fefe kuakuo bebre beye ensia ene ye no machia se ye ntrase
okay
kwa be na ye de Ghana mo ne be fa so agye atum se ho akohia se Ghana mo ne yetumi promote ni ye kwa be na ye be promote ye promote a na kyerese sese aban nso boa ma ode nhihye bi ba e betumi aboa ma aye ohye ma ba bi bibiri ye di ba ko a yetu anamo a ye pese ye ne se me minister aye na adwen se yaku yanim free 2020 anhwe ye de permit beba ansa na wo ye importer na betumi akofa mo aba ha no eso behia permit ye pese ye regulate and ye control yen ya de na wo ha no se wo absorb ya sisi ya amo importer na gya tum se sisi ya no e free 2020 de ya produce wo ha no ombeto ansa kura ansa na o ma yo madwen so mkofa bi afri amanane aba
money omo kasa ada ben.
Oh, yeah, meeting for even Wednesday,
because meeting importers and exporters, executive secretary Samson Asaki say, I say mo harmony. Now once a situation ba na ye de aho preson krani mu ye gina krani mu tutun krani fi say said ye mo ye bebra no enye feasible. Tina man bisa say mo ni omu hia da be.
Ono no kan say enye feasible. But ye o ministry on hye ya de aye no. Because see am 2022 see a be increase by 2022 at least we need to be able to produce about 2 million metric tons of paddy rice. Okay. So 2 million tons of paddy rice ye polish here. Na say me kwa ye lusu we want to be conservative into ye say we want to lose almost about even 30% of it. We should be able to have about a million plus metric tons.
Okay.
I bet to me a dear mana bros. Because this year as a 2019, if we are able to produce 1 million, it produces 1 million metric tons of paddy rice. Now you cost by 2020, they see a necessary we need to be able to increase to 2 million metric tons of paddy rice on milled ones. I just say, you bet to me.
Man foresee said ade amu ye da chene neto ana na munim se Ghana fo ni mo ne dada enti sesi aye ni abre a ye se ye bua se akuafo no ndodo planting for food and jobs enti ye tretre mu no yen hyehyɛ yen so a be radical kakra ma manfo adi efi se bra mu de mani si so se ye pese ye dom ne dodo mu no na kese se mu nso mu hu se already na kakra no kreba no marketing no ye wo hu problem enti mo hu ena man hyase amfamfi hoi
no kre ne kwan so ana aka no na aban ebo ne ho modin bia aban tu anamo bebre banya anamo ni nyina na ode ba beto abonten bi ni se me kire se aban share institutions bi se ba fast stock make sure se omobema which is it's not enough ye nyina agitum se enye enough ni nyina ka se consumption drive no se yan ka se ye bedi cause nkwala no ye hyase ye ma etro manum se we ye Ghana mum ye di a onyi ya nkonkohwehwa abrochire mu bi ma memedi ti ye hyase ye fi se eno iswa ye betumi atrem ye manakọ anim but Ghana fo no na ye di a hye trim wo ha se tete no sa mo na Ghana mo ne yedi ne yese abo mu no bebre da ho te Ghana fi se sa mo ne da so produce ha na bi mu so yatumi apolutu o mo man na kire o mo se Ghana mono kra ne board din kra chena abrochire de no nti ono okodwa so onye na adwen kra so kwakobusa Ghana mo bo nanso nya sa ne nyina ye nkontompo Ghana mo aye wo hai ne bo ofu perfume rice metumi amma my yes simple comparison actually TCCA me dey be a 2 brands from 2 companies na me e wo Ghana ha na me dey 2 brands from foreign ones Yenyi Lily first grade Lily perfume rice. Ukwa wholesale price and then menuka say 200 between 220 to 250 Ghana cedi.
Kilogram
25 kilogram. The 5x5.
Okay.
The same first grade perfume rice. Avanash. The producer a friend Royal Farmers Select. 125 Ghana cedi.
Difference in this pa.
Yemfa no ntunchen. Uba yemfa emerald. Emerald na no so ye foreign rice ye the bag maimwa.
Okay.
And no see one of the first grade rice ni bi o me perfume rice ni bi. Uko dwom sisi a wholesale price. Ye ton benya no 218 Ghana cedi for 5x5 no. 25 kilogram. The she 5 kilo, 5 kilo. On the same fair grade, I'll be to me a matching with Emerald, no, a copper. Produced by Rienko.
Okay.
Uko Joshua, I'm on 137 Ghana. So Tony Baby Kurampunua, I'm about 132.
I see.
Ntise o hwesa Ghana mui a ede unadulterated. Young far oil be nkofa ho mfa ene aromatic scent bia perfumery bia nkofa ho. You can have it organic taste and smell.
Okay.
Now what dinner wapum din akosuru yie. When you all the nutrients na ebeboa wapum din no. Now so mpe we upa manani I'm not here to sport some say
be
but me pese me twin Ghana fo adwen esi so say.
But sa brands na oboboye no. Ghana for bi beka say elite and I say average family for no need. Yene e wo fom pa no. Ye tonu konko. Ye obeko jaso ni ye hwie no. Eno no se ebi amadwen maso a enkrofo twenfa boda ne so. Cote d'Ivoire boda kwam se ekurum ne sampa boda wo mo twenfa so. Aflawo boda wo mo twenfa so. Enti de wo mo twenfa ne no enhye da nidin. But okwa unya kobisa maame na oton mu na. In fact, obema over 15 brands uni enu nye de yeninim yo royal this royal that lele mu ni gino mu abo enye enu ayenim no. Enu so na nkrofo to omo nu aduane wo kwanchen. Omo ye aduane ama school for ni ade no. Enu no mo to enu so imported ones ni bia.
Me fi say no kore enu nti ama Food and Drugs Board wotumi ade bia omuko rounds and make sure so much because amuya can be work cry and register Food and Drugs Board. Oni kun kwan say the bedwa so. The Food and Drug Board make sure say omo de omo crop for kwa rounds. So mu say o di say adwuma na ye chewoje onioma ni nyina akosai no. Isan say ye pese sabe omo kura o fa kwan pa so de mo na ba o mamu ano. Ese yetumi protect your business. Na ye nso ye de na ye dua wo aha na ya branding ye no akọ register e wo Food and Drug Board na say Ghana Standard Authority ya ma no ho mra say utumi ye because wo de no standardized. Ya gi atum say it has no harmful effect. Nipa betu enye unwholesome. It's wholesome. Wo betumi e di ni ye no. Ye fe nko no so obi ntumi nkofa bibi ma mese no.
Okay.
Nti ayanamo ayetu a customs for ya aware. O make sure say sa no mani na ye brass. O hwa
enye ya no keke ne ye.
Enye ya no keke. O hwa 2018 emo aye kraba o mem ha nduduo ni nyina no. Upside ye di na ye 1.135 metric tons no. Million metric tons. Ye kra ya de fire ye port where the buy ye ni 800,000 metric tons. Nanso no ebi 55
approved port no.
Approved port no.
Sa no de aka na ebe kan ho na ma ye nya sa 1.35.
Na make nti ya no maka say de edua organ ha no na manfo di source ene nya nanso enya no kore se no na edi ya menim say manfo bebre nipa bi fa kwatiri kwanso ni nyina no ya de ya me fi say emo man nansan ya akora ye crusade be na nansan meto anopani bi ebe tie me asotire se ye sha ase a ye ka Ghana mo ho asem a ama Ghana fo ani aba Ghana mo hu asese a bebre hwehwe no na me hia me MPs na me kire mo se mo wen why ma dwen se mo beto mo afie di akoma mo mpeso asofo a mo bia anya na dwen se okwa akota mo no ne de no metumi adi mani mama nya Ghana de papa perfume once at a reduced price and price na mo kwa koton.
Okay.
Na ya ne say nyina no na ebi mo ayo madwen say say mbe create some advantage for themselves. Masha see Ghana mo na nya dini obi ani hwenti. De o makra na aba no a so de fa kwampa so amfa kwamfa po. Omo on bag no na omo pe Ghana
Ghana sax no.
E de agum atwero se e Ghana rice. O yes sir. O mo man nko nkan. O di man na bro. Ya pese ya boa ya kuafo because the bia no ye ntumi nsoa over $1 billion mfa nko amanone mfa nko koso akuafo ati baabi obi man so ase mo makua nkoso at the expense of our own farmers in this country.
Na yen so se ya ban no yen hyehyeye ne boa akuafo no ne adwadifo nyina te se melesi ye se avanash foi omo ne kese pa wo Africa
amo no mo kese pa wo hwe a they say the whole Africa Ghana ha but they have the biggest almost 500 metric tons of rice meal am producing a day.
Nti adenti no mutimi produce ya say ye storage aye wo buffer for ho adenti na ne buffer for nto na later yetimi aton ama e ba ne sa senka enei omo be kwa akoto afrekuya for them omo ka say last year de no
aban budget ontumi mfa ni nyina nkoto mfa misie nti aban eye ne de yesi ye beto sisi ame no ka say yesan say buffer stock nko antumi nyenti ministry no ne aban ene adwumakuro bebre sisi ya nya company bi efri UK a opese obeka one buffer stock ebeka bom edi sika be so back fast stock because buffer stock enu ma obeto nyina ohia sika wo wenya sika ontumi ntoni nyina
ontumi nya
bosia na hia na ye de be man nansen ADB ema sika kakra 50 million sika hia aban boss obema obi say ye pese ye to sa amamu nyina hwe sika ye say de kofa ba ye can billions of dollars o.
Okay.
Enti say o ma buffer stock sika na o man sika from be about $100 million $200 million obutumi atom mo ne kase yi eno nti na onu nko antumi nyenti yenya adwumakuro bi say make us say UTG and South African company abem say ye ba ye ba be mountie silos in your warehouses.
Okay.
Na ya tomo ni bi di egum. And ye force nso say processes ye be somo asen aboa. Se amose bi asika na munya ti ye boa say eye Exim Bank sebi omoboa ma the agro business and agro industry no akwa anim no omontumi mmoa mo na sika se muntumi nya bi na munso muntumi mfanshima adwuma mu ntoto mo no emele ni emele wie a the drive is the consumption. Ya kase Ghana ni bi aban be ye ne de ebia se ne o suggest edi kan ebia wonnim se enche kora na aban ba kase wo ye hotel na wo ha ana wo ye restaurant na wo operate wo Ghana ha ya ma allowances nkora wo ye wo ha untumi mfa brochire mu mfemfidi obi a ho na de enti ya on the gradual basis ye pese ye be ye no putupuru no alatafo eye bi ani yi ama wo.
Oh yeah, sure.
Yes. Nigeria
omanya impact nya nti na omoboda ne still
second attempt ni
okay
alatafo ne di kan de ba ya omoban be yemfie yewura Jonathan pen so omoban ne rice importation saka am no mu ni ahoden a ombetumi dia produce enough rice for them. See how rice have become the #1 staple food or commodity in this country. First nanka buro ho aduane see ai Ghana fo di mo chi aduane bia wo ha cause you say na easy ukuku ya see na ben ama to omo pe krachi eburu ti unya oman a edi se aduane a na se wankasa wonya self sufficient now se putupuru wo de mra bi aba esopo a obema manfo adakom anhwe a okom besi ma bi mukura fa honkura ahwere omo nti ama pe se
ba bebusa se enhyehyɛ be na mo de begu akom ansa na mo ankasa no mo susu sa aban no mo de be fa so but ebi nso adweye on se Nigeria for de no successful but sisi eno so na moni abere a ana Ghana for adwadifo bi ani abere a omo invoke ECOWAS convention ahodwe enti se mo so mo ya mo adwe so mo ba be bra ana mo be bibi etisa mo hyehyɛ ahodo amodo mo nsa hyase no WTO ni omo maka no enkontia mo in anyway
me fi say nkontia na de kan say Nigeria for de a omo ye de di kan omo sha ase Euro Jonathan's no omo ntumi anya nti omo san left e ban no ti yewura Buhari apen su bai no ma sha ase because asisi ya no omo tumi produce enough to feed their people ti see I so mutumi control se enso kura na so mutumi control de beba ha no na menhwehwem ana se ntie information am won se de ntie a omo to border nim no na titru ni se muni bebre ni edifiri amanone eba no first no na nka omo de ba Nigeria for mba ne no na nka ba Nigeria street se si ya ba ne no nti omo de ba eye a friend saying Benin
okay
and na Benin so ne Nigeria ebo border eye close nti ho na omo de besi no metumi e de aba Nigeria na Nigeria ban so mpese foreign rice bia be banti sa de ya nto border nim
okay
se de ye nya kwan ma obi emfa hwe emfa nwuram if he say amano akoha ada commodities a emfa mo ho a se tumi wura Nigeria mu no akwakwa affect no
yeah
see I ECOWAS parliament me no kase anope me ne me colleague baako wo ECOWAS parliament no ayi se omo nhwemu no mo make sure say kwan obefa so o mbesiesie nyina if say nka free movement of goods e was sub region e beboa nyina because it me ye na ya economy no ye dia e beboa se Nigeria mutumi ba Ghana ham ye dia e be ye de Ghana mo so ko Nigeria no mu dia e beboa economy no because o hwe economy size and as a population size of Nigeria. Na
so
can
you to produce omo de nti omo allow say fa wo de
yeah nuanom nti se yanke yan de kwa ombetumi apene because there could be an arrangement e betumi aye menyi ni say Nigeria to me produce se nipa me fan say 100 million and say 50 million de di more Nigeria can produce all the 50 million rice for 8 people they may produce about 40 plus million there will be a shortfall.
Okay.
So I shortfall.
E den na ma wo dwen sa.
Oh, set minim say sebe. Ma bia betumi aye self sufficient de. Nanso edurumri bia na ekon akohia se consumption ekoso annually ekoso de bia na se there's a gap.
Nigeria for no omanya incentives bi dia ma wo farmers no.
Yenso ye ma bi.
Ye hye wo mu nkran.
Ye ma bi wa. Under GCAP, Ghana commercial agriculture program under GASIP,
okay.
Ghana agriculture sector investment program ni nyina say Ministry of Food and Agro Mofasi the support to be under GASIP we have supported about 60,000 smallholder farmers to go into rice and maize and soya bean
now what do we know aka fum honom na na ye ntotom
say me no ka say paddy rice na ban on to me nkoto paddy rice nko anvema o ye mail ya ban on fa rice even buffer stock on to me nkoto paddy rice ne ma they have to mail it before you can buy
sense na me can value chain no nti say wo support ni say onria ugidi say no wadwuma na sia na knowing very well that paddy rice no ye mpon ho ye mo aye mpon nti wo say ye pon ho
aban me no ka say e de hihye bi aba da ho enche ye 2,000 of small scale rice milling machines. I pese ye set rice milling cottages. Ewo rice growing areas. You ntumi nya large mill into we a farmer now produce na unya obi nto you can mill it and keep it.
Machine na ye de mill no. Ye say ye de no say ye tetedie o. Say nya modern. Enti emo no enka wo say good
and the
moisture content no nti se amonu bubu eno so kan na Ghana for say Ghana mo no ye tujimi onu wa agisa mutu
ma me nka se mjiro hwe emo de ye wo mu great obi wa ha okodwo amemete ye me ni me fie for several years me ni broni bi amupen eni agisa mako program eni ye serve me na se me wo me fie a di local rice
ye ni fie ho ye ye ni ma
brown rice wo ba se me fie me ni broni unni broni bi ade wo eho unimbu ni biamu a local rice which is more healthier and ye di ofie ho enti Ghana fo bebre o ma dwen se sa mo nti obi wo ha okodwa so a Ghana ni no opesa mo na o si abubu no bi a no de koye mutu a no de koye bibi ope no bi
rice water
yes nti nye obi a na benya sika o man mu a akoto perfume rice akono adi not every Ghanaian
no but there me be say machines na ye de be mele ye de be somo ne ho ama na badwa so no machine you ntumi nya de ye abefo te say companies a wo mo betimi ato machines no banks no ntumi mu am because me problem pa is say once you buy na meka ADB I say na no akuafo no bosundwe tire nyina ebo we man say so mo ka say ye call ADB ho de oboy omo ka fra all the banks ti we kwada na busa me say omo say ye call banks omo say ye fa collateral mra omo pass asase a efie kama sisu o city enti ono universal bank enti no sesa na munim say sa na universal banks beka enti na tetetete ye di ADB buy ene waye no ho say agreke more no kro de be so no ye nti ase na more no so hia no chance obeye agreke no aban hihye mu adien no obeye ama ADB no wahwe say akuafo nti no buy enti mebua say mela bia mema na sika obetumi dia to machine papa na ode asomo ne ho ana say obi a opese otomo na mebo ne bosia na wakoto afre akuafo ni nsem na wa marketing ni nyina ka won kasa ase yeni ye bo ho dawura edi enti ni yeni papa
tina me kire so aban etu anamo bebre nkomo bebre akoso between me minister and minister of finance ekwan be fa so a be so Exim Bank ase because normal traditional bank no na say ye ma wo a Exim Bank which is there to promote agribusiness and other agriculture produce no there they should be able to support these businesses. Okay. And until you use Exim Bank as a focal point to be able to support rice processing companies. Until now, ya committee ye be promote Ghana rice. Ye be make sure say ye be we have brought on board Exim Bank to be part of the agreement. See, I selected. Yenim companies we have companies what abefu machine I did milling rice we have one of the best rice milling machines in this country. About 10 companies had one of the best output together. They can even mill almost about between 350 to 400,000 metric tons.
I see.
Ukruma. Yawa Jaika. Yawa Agro Brazil Agro. Yawa Wienku. There were Avenash. There are a lot of other ones. Will be a 5 metric ton per day. Near the idea now. They are there. They are using modern processing plants. Processor. Senior long grain. Processing machine. Senior long grain. It rejects it. Nti 4 different measures. Long grain.
Okay.
They are broken ones. Aquaha.
Okay.
We aquaha brown rice. So they have modern machines in this country. Can you to me produce
ADB also can Exim. Chese Exim ni jina mo any melesi.
Yes.
And ye be Exim buy say afibia de wenya. I denti na on kwakuafo no emwa. If you say ye ka ye nti say won waka say Exim for no de they came to our rescue.
Say processes we be a the traditional conventional banks no person ko Exim Bank na metumi aka kiro say adwumaku a as I say agri businesses for dodo a maboa wo no you have no idea.
No, but to say yeti hane.
But bank no
banks you know what they do. Traditional banks you know. If you had be omo ba ko ha no maba upelo na ibetimi aboa. Enti Exim Bank for no one mo enim say aban yes an hihye ye say ye pese edua mo ne dudum. And a processors no mo no so. Enti if the processor won't come to you which I find it difficult to believe because almost since February and almost so
Exim Bank
so Exim Bank should move to them.
And a bank and yes move to a near this come Sajiko. A bank yes or person rice production cost. Obisu sikan wakwaji a bank sikana Exim Bank na or de mano and you free money. Say buy and see a bit to me the amount said Gina Fako. Ebi our court is a traditional bank and why bet you say busy as a fast as a by Fadabra or Exim Bank one country or second fast annual money bra. And maybe a processor and so on maybe Oko you say me quack maybe a bear 100 million Ghana cedi and $100 million. Every Exim Bank on your says canon your day and Femma. Ubetumia to a certain Tia crown. I'm no case on my co. Exim Bank for by Sika motion Exim to me yasa Sikapudu. Ntia Beba say be a ADB Monsone other banks no ebebem. Now almost one bebem is say there exists ADB though is a Ghanaian bank. Dinner some person Buakia yene other Yes, say
Keka.
now, so they are also there to make profit. They are not there to run at a loss. They are shareholders. People have their money invested in ADB. It is almost some of the musica ma abontin as you move Adekye to will be able to retrieve it and answer returns in everybody. It is because processor now here sika. Now to mean clear draw a clear line of say may tomu paddy rice be a bear 100,000 metric tons. Maybe we are many be a 70,000 metric tons. Say ni kwan say na me tono. One more me de kwa more matoni intimi say me ton a woman say sika we a metumi anya sika e dey the amount. If they haven't be a clear demonstration of how to repay the money. Now wo ye na repayment na bank no ntumi nka say aban pese e mo koso nti beji.
Oh, but you think say Kuafo no na omu ni saa hyehyeye na but Kuafo no kra many uti omu ana usi uti ebi uti omu a they know what they are doing.
As for Kuafo the problem ni ho.
Enti semeles na you think that omu afa proposal anko omu afa proper plan anko.
Eno de nyina hanom nka.
Me de me ti omu no dia I got the impression that adwuma omu ye omu nim nani so omu tai ko na ehonom no omu kodru banks na kona bra kona because onu processor no ni sika ni dwetire no de akoto machine na ba enti sesi a no guarantee ben na chain machine na watinti no
eno kra me fi se e ade ba ko ese bank no omo twen o madwen ekususu wo hwe o mamu ankasa banks e wa ha nyina no obi asori a ye pe salaried worker no abeji loan ye pe obi a chese fi se wo de wo sika no already no obi go bank order there so ni aka chese o ba loan de be ma omo pe. That is not how we run financial sector. So they open the cheap side, they open to me retrieve, but you have to give money to expand the economy so that returns and also investment in Osha. Banks' contribution to even the agri sector is about 3%.
You see now.
Almost
so risk, but we are not saying some fasika masa. But be a company be a who share to say avanash for you. Na so who show mo machine o ma kraba. Na who share adwuma omo ye na. Ehi na obedwane akọ. Machine no crab wo kra entumi enko ka no bia na in case.
Mame hwe. Me say e ade am fi say enya ade a etwa yie on the bank. I can say bank for say if you say the risk level because of risk mama kan chiro say wo hwe anuoma anwuma wa me wiase nyina de ne risk e wo fom pa yekuaye
ba bank for ne honest
enti ya senti na say o mo twe o madwen ko susu no say wo hwe adwuma say me de misika ko hye say me tie kura na say me de misika ko hye me ko dua buro me ko ye afu a the possibility say me lose me afuo no completely no is low. The possibility to lose my entire farm is low. And this I won't share to say the Missy Council say me the Quackosha factory boom, I could process it. The possibility say me to me loses our factory is very high. And I didn't in a Krianwa, I want the lowest risk. And no moment to me first canship. Now make sure say nipa or pipidu or memu edimo. Now we are banking. Now you may could be or process it mo aba. Say mami sika. Na me fan shame na me to process rice. I wouldn't say already there is the market. There's a huge market potential for rice consumption in this country. Also, I think that we need to reorient our banks in this country.
We need a here for Ministry of Agri to me abemna wabwa processes no in that.
Baby, you bet to me this where government is working through finance ministry to make sure say best strengthen Exim Bank properly and ADB to support them.
Okay.
The bit is who found that banks I be a moon free or memoir our day. Oh he's here to make profit for the shareholders. No, they are to me question but the local indigenous banks no are buying ankasa watch fan. I think government has to be able to push a lot of money so that the consumer no can say are buying say or the gisel Ghana agriculture insurance program be bar to protect to ensure our Greek produce. Nti we a farmer na say to me ensure why there will be anwa. It gives you the opportunity say ubetumi enya kwankra enya sika pudo the free bank because all your produce have been insured. Bangu so ya tete office ye Bank of Ghana and the disika putru ebebeshem almost about 200 million ebeshem wa ebetumi dia to give insurance guarantee to most of our Greek produce farmers to protect them. Ntino so about wholesale or about bank no about jisika bi dia akoshe na adwuma mu akoshe na farm mu and that process you should be able to give because now you have something that you can there's no need to confirm
as insurance na be dem man say or kope bosia e no bet me serve as collateral
because only farmers are here what to say or how bisa say kofa fiebra kofa asasbra ana kofa ka bra obenya de ama se me kofa banam de aba bejiska
farmers be na ye hwe o musa ye kan
gise ya farmers no almost about 70% of our farmers are smallholder farmers in this country. Nkete for no. They form a larger chunk of our farmer population, about 2.5 million farmer population na yawo memwano. 70% are smallholder farmers. Kakrana ye large holder farmers and these people omu sebe bibi womu sem kakra. This commercial they can do on their own. Though they also need support. Bu okra no nya funding from outside no dia ba no so oba beye wa bibre produce wa no mo de ko amanone.
Okay. Yen hwe emu na semele so say atofo no koto free akuafo ni nsem no. Se de omu measure no. Omu de omu kotoku na eko. Scale bi ansi wo. Na nsan kura de ya yesi aye bibi ofum bisifo de enti okwa se miensa bo a wo se metua mienu bo. Ofa bags 3 no watua 400 plus because back we 200 ne kakra ntin se so betua 600 plus the metua for na say or the back na sign atoso omo konso omo ade omo boto omo hye na omo de apem minim say ye paddy rice ye beso ho de na so unyi ni se kwan omo fa so omo tonu free akuafo ne ho no asisire bi wo
no kre o hwa na nka omo a big companies in a process in the ukokra na ukuyani no danu ameko wienko ho ukwa weighing bridge ho wa na wa de go care mu a wo de aba ubedu ho a udi kan gina first weighing bridge so
okay
near we e okay nim near ba ye san de abegu another machine mu ho near san away
okay
for first one weigh 3 times ye weigh anu we a ye san bi wa na nwura bi afrefrenti amade ni mu ayede ayedu na fe yi sha nwura ni nyina sa for ne materials na enhu hia na agugu mu na ama na ebu akos otemo no bi wakra na akofrefra mo na haban no ne anti bi watumi ma weight ne dey ekos yi ni nyina awie a ansa na enya da actual weight ne awie ti sa big companies ne dey omo mfa sisiye bi amfanye
ena ye hwe ba akuani ne di akọ company ho but baby a farm
gate na obi akoto no and no na hia sesi answer standard authority bem because they are the custodians by law they are the custodians of weights and measures
okay
mo na se mo tumi di susu di abase mamu afiri na ekoi eburo boto enie eye bi a 20 kilos and 50 kilograms
okay
make sure say weight wo a ye di susu hye se pepepe o kwa koto a ni weight ni until see a besa na minim standard authority ye etu anamo bebre nsamo mumu nsamo bai omni FDA de awonti akabom say fi say mmerabdi say wake up call for the entire country say na first no na na yani afiri so ene yamfo ya adwen ankoso me yanya say see esom de o ma adwen koso because say o pese o promote Ghana rice te say brown na de epeja ya we si ho na hu say 25 kilo hu say 25 kilos pepe na Ghana de no say si wa we need to the akoto no so say if you are comparing with the foreign one it should be the exact 25 kilos pepe and you say go 25 kilo bag na so ba akosusu na e bia be 20 and say 22
okay
nti ehun akohia say ye beye na ya enforce sa weight and measures law no mra no wo memua because there's law as say ye nti see have standard authority and check processes for no they will be going there to see what they use to measure because we need to standardize the rice that we produce in this country
for no omo de omo nkrata be kwa akoto omo nye ni se na so baby a problem ne wo no eye akuafo no omo wafum na kwan ne nya aka bia mpese obekọ enti se nyame na ka dada bia wi abobi de no gosogoso na obesiwa memfa ma ne sa manfa ma na nsuo de kwa na eja de sene enti ministry na muni mu agencies ahodo a onum hye ase ye adwuma no mu enni asodie bia na se mu ntumi emmoa wonum wo kwan bia so
Ohwe na ne papa mu anka aggregator a okwa de no esese o weight aban no ntumi mfa weight ni mfa nkoma farmer ne seje no bi beto ade esusu se farmer na ankasa woni sika na opeso oto weight ni bi de si ho ne e ba beto ne ye hye emo paddy rice no oto ani weight bi abaye 100 kg because ye mpa ho tie 100 kg and ye 1 cedi farmer no for your own interest because the business that you are doing no ese won so tumi nya weight ni bi so oni dia aggregator na oba beto no ye from LBCs no so no na eba beto a me fan say bafa stock asoma na LBC so nkono nkoto a oba e na say dey say so otumi ewo weight ni bi a farmer no ontumi besisi na oba na say sagum o we dey achia na o miemia so na farmer no ugina ho na o miemia so a say ni obebu eye asedi a say wo ankasa wo nso wo ye o business no you need to be able to kosesi ana na eni ho a yen share nkire say emo paddy rice e bia bag no say na sese ni weight ya obetumi atop free farmer no se si ya Ghana friends a commodity exchange for e de ho agisa mu a from next year early January we will start trading Ghana paddy both paddy rice and maize rice on the Ghana exchange. Stock friends a commodity exchange ti enya trade wa they have measures intino si enya hu ni asset sa measures ne say paddy rice no e bia Ghana commodity exchange no gro mo to no bia 50 kg no more ton na 6 cedis. The farmer should be able to insist say on the same measures no ye use sir Ghana commodity exchange no should be the same. But how do you measure it? To farmer you need to also show interest.
Mira, you need to show interest. We anya brofo akese. Hwew. Aban nim say okuani no wo ye nukua. Nanso onim say okua no so won faso mo man no. Ena bia no okuani ni nim. Enti kura ne wo extension officer say monko na monko boa wo. Say nka okuani no odo nukua. Wono so de na adwuma wafa ato no so no ka aban fa ho be. But onim say aha no oto sini eno wama no extension officer we eno so kura esinchen ya wonim se o kuani no odo ne kua nanso se a memfa yi fertilizer kakra enso na sene na mema ni seeds ana improve seedlings no mfanye enti in the same vein no na me bisa se waboa no we nyina mu na ne to no se enye se wokoma obia yi skill ni ade ade a wokra waka small holder farmers omo nhya da ni ma de sa enye se ebu omo nim ti aba we know womu akwansidi a womu FM enti se wo kabrofo say you should take interest you should know na onim na wote wonum na obi free nkran de ne boto akwa wo bu no no mo as ministry ni mo agencies no mo ntumi nya hyehe bia so e bia se de wo cocoa shed wo koba akumienu akura na cocoa shed aben na fe ye de cocoa na koho no ye nya bisa mammo akuafo se ne omo de abobo ya akwa na e besesa mo na e de afiri wo mafuo mu akwan ne ye no de akọ ebia mo shed
nka ne kwan so no nka ban na ye na adwen say metoto mo a different thing aban de a woto no ye wo measures wo ho edeto aban de no we register company kuku almost about 1,000 plus LBCs koto they have weight and measures omunkosisi obi but individual ones na ka ho no senka ye na aban ankasa say my CCT say o can share de ne yenkonkoto a different thing ke betumi a monitor ama ya hwese sa asisiye no emma so but sisi a no sa de eni ho nti education as ya educate na farmers no ehu say sese na ye measure na e wo ho no dia so obi ba wafuom na se oba beto na se wo measure wan fa measure no ma measure but ni okan obi kan small holder farmer e bia wodu awie wan fa mafie kura na obeton o kai se opa bibi nti o se brafuom ho na esan se bebre no omototo na sisiye nti o so wo de ha ho mba beto wafuom ho me a me de me ka betwe so pese okokosi sufuo na so ye farmer do say o ye adwuma no atom apesika say ebe mvo say farming is a business enya sa de na affairs ni say ye for to feed family, to feed ourselves and family. Now farming has become a business. Into be or even cross subsistence farming, Biano has an idea. Say me, ye be no be
okay.
That is the idea. So once it is become a business, you need to show interest. To show interest, no. Say nipa ni push you. Say me better farm gate. Who say all ba farm gate no ba better no. The expenses in coming there no or the back. Emona water no. Nti say wo farmer no jitu mu say bra. Say me transport me pese me cut transportation cost na me de ma the oba beto film mu anu a the oba beto no we also calculate the transportation cost and deduct it so you force obenya ne papa na ne dodo na ebeboa no ma wo de cover the transportation costs and other costs. To me feel say M1 farmers no so yenhu say yes ye wie ye pese ye ton de nanso ye make sure say si ye de ba ba bi ebeboa ma ye nya better price ye mu bi ehu ne be ya ye mfa sa akwan so ne enfemra si ye si ye be no farm gate ye na sa de we happen even within the cashew industry. See a very new Indians need to make farm horse. Oh, dear, how may enter why and mono or some yamako hata. Now your farmer no what to cashew floor and mono hatai. Now Nippons or Babetua. Do what? Sika pen will be to me the amount. Into young fan, yes, you are a buying one home. You better make sure say structures associated to Hobias to me walk here, Nina, the Jumani ye net because every farmer a buyer say a banis were doing so be making sure say the life of the ordinary farmer is improved.
Okay, in the interim, yeah, shall say a bit to homophony, and CCA from BC4 the enemy or more macano. A kind of crisis. If you say you see a fufu anymore. Emono ejabetum omo brain na abeye kwa nti sa bag 6,000 na akaya amanfo ani abere a mpanimfo samense mo pani samense ni omo maka ani abere yenimu no animu ade na ebetimi aya aboa wom
aban se eye nafkufo me fan se bafafo.
Okay.
So omo kwakoto omo ma omo LBC so omo se hwie be ayere so kra en 2 weeks omo akoto sa mo ni a esi ho ni nyina ti
nti before December be
omo akoto sa paddy rice na
ye wi aye nko hwehwe
buffer stock a hye ni LBC na omo to de bre buffer stock fo e ma buffer so omo nko ho na omo nkonkoto sa mo no mfiri omo mfemra nti omo akoto sa mo no ya se ahye wianko nso abam abeka kire ministry no because wianko ye ni omo ye adwuma ye program bebre omo abeka kire Ministry of Amofa say, ye pese sa amon yensu ekokotobi ne ye bebe som nti wiankofo nso kɔ akwakotobi ye ne avanasefo nso akasa sa monti na omo ye amono dodo no de maamu sisi afum bisifo nso amono kro ma harvest one is just 25% of what they have planted
ebi da so ho
75% wo nwura mkro omo nte
hey problem
yes nti sa nkrofukuro ya afi se omukomu afi so mbetumi atode o mate dada no a eho no kro mo ye na de aka no a so mote na eba no so no ya hwe kwan ye be de ye de be fa so
nti eno ye be mo mate ana ye be ye ne de
ye be mo mate se na betumi aye de ja o ma na se
o mbeti be wi o mu
problem kasi ya
pa for kro mo betika
eno so na ye problem kasi ya na eho no skura so ye combine harvest so kra ye de harvest ye de timo no eno na ye problem abai bai na menchade yenya sika bi free Indian government $150 million. Aye adwin say no bi ne ka say ye dey to sa 1,000 pieces of small milling machine, rice milling machine. Yes, ye dey be to combine harvesters no bi near the abana ye dey ama sa AMSEC agric mechanization centers na ye pese private people to run it because government cannot run it efficiently. Yemfema private no more ni yemfense you want to be a farmer you can go and run it to go because most of the problem rice farmers ni facing is the harvesting of the rice.
E dey wo kan asema ba mitimo ye nya sika free India ho ene ye die we na se sa na obi kokra mu free India ba wo se wo ma ne nkra na India ban
ya venture ye free sika ne ye koje no ensi hu down.
And it comes with conditions and so.
And there be we can't just say the brain near beto a man be out to say India cramming yes sure so India I be catch say with their population over 2 billion plus o kwa be catch say the omudua o man no aban ne manfo ni te kokko fa firi baby aban kura boa say de omudua India ye ni ansa kwa ansa na anso a yakopa bi afiri baby yen ka say ye wo de bibi firi amanone aban ma ye say de edua ye ni ansa na anso yen yakopa bi afiri abonte I think it's as simple as that
yen ka sa ban ne ho asem sa ban ya mo sha ase amode ka asem I say me question di come say na e bianka o say hwe market wise say okay ye boa na ye boost rice production na e ba dodo mu wia ni die ne to no say na besi akọ ya dwan ko but ye hwe ya mu ya bai ene sisi aye asem sisi aye ka ban meanwhile no they produce no entimi miti and local demand no ti afi mu koye ban no say ko cut down importation of rice na afi no so e chena enkoye asem
ye my humfie no program a 5-year program ye shase 2017 on rice production how to increase rice production in this country to meet our annual consumption. You be self-sufficient. 5 years, 2022 na end.
Oh, okay.
Until gradually we have been increasing rice production each and every year since 2017. You introduce planting for food and job.
Sir.
Until ya may say by 2022, no, per year statistics, no, you should be able to get enough. Say you know okra you bet to me 90% of rice that you consuming or locally produced.
By 2022, you bet me produce more best metric tons and
we can do 1 million. Yes,
million metric tons.
Yes, because you share see a person you almost about 2 million metric tons of paddy rice.
And Kebeye pa Mr. Honorable ni die said me di kan ofe no Titans pamucho simply Tasha when we say be kumfonyin bi ba sese a internet kra no me be ye no masori na afi ye de aka no flow na aka ni na ye de ama simply Tasha abeku ene ne dom no unim say despite media e de raba simply Tasha fi Nigeria aba my Ghana mo when ye wonya lande nti emfonyin na mo hwe no wosa Ghana so we de ala tade kakra frem sa anti enche ye de mo beko ehonum ma menye na mensori so na memfama abeku enti honorable sisi a emo no ye hwe kwan say 2022 ye betimi produce ye mo ya ye betimi atoye mo ye benya abra akuafo ebenya market.
Yes, titiri aban de oye nyina ye nuoma mienu se obe make sure say ye be makuafo adwuma a omo ye wo mem ha no anya dwumahu omanya so mfaso na two say a huge import bill for rice nso no ya end no na yetumi di sika no akose because see how sorry obi aze na mepɛ kwan o me kwan anye me pese hospital ye jagu nwura mu say ni nyina iskasem aban if government is able to save that 1.23 billion dollars no a we use na fie bia na o memu ha, it can do so many things. It can construct road, it can build hospitals, it can complete abandoned projects. And it is a DDM man here say we are Ghana niya Ghana ni mapo nya Ghana ni bia ni Ghana. If you are a patriotic citizen of this country, consume Ghana made in Ghana rice. And your local rice, I don't call it local rice, we call it Ghana rice, made in Ghana rice. Ghana rice are more healthier and nutritious than those imported ones. So officer me boa kodwaso na kope avanash die ni bi ana wian komuni bi ana other ones are well packaged ones. A perfume long grain one and a basmati kope bi na tonedi na wo say
one dance
wankasa
Abigail si obedi bi but onko tobi nti obeba ofie Abigail ashi si obeba ofie no aba bi yeah that's it pa Honorable Kennedy Osei Nyarko ye deputy minister a Greek MP a Chem Swedro na ye ne bo mpunimpo a ye hwe emo akuafo no titu de ne pese ye tian se akuafo no mani emo totontoto ne be ye ne dey wo say omo koto nti 2 weeks time no acha 15th December ye be koni akwa ye follow up bisa say omonya to afiri ho na sen na esi etie abusuafo na mi di speed pa me so de akose de be ya ye benya kwan na abaya fefefe a ye de na free Nigeria aba no dwumadie no ho ahodo ni nyina no despite media ne de no aba enti de ato aso ama United Television so me kodi ameda creative line ase say wo ma me atade tuntum hye fefefa me di edi me papa ene mase Charles Osei kwadwo na wo twede kama kama enti mpacha also for creative line 0244695057 and 0264414945 obema obi a hye fefefe opam kaftan so atade bia traditional de creative line be yamau now uhia beauty fixes to say yeah wax your eyebrow or fix your eyelash and now fix your nails manicure ne pedicure ni na acrylic gel powder chrome any bibia studio fix ebe yamau 0202966553 wo jolo e plaza 2 enu na ya bronsina best pension trust no ewo mu na ho na studio fix for ewo kaisa ochina 30th November na gehe 94 Anchor for project no dinner dance no eba so